Hello, welcome back. In the last lecture, we talked about formatting in print function and we got three outputs and we applied three different ways to format the print function or to get the output. But if you want to apply the same case for number of people or for example number of students in a class, here you have one name and age. The one possible way is to write the same code for every person, or to define some automatic way to read all of these things automatically and just print out the desired thing. How you can do that? We can do that by using this class. The class in Python basically is a composite of different number of you can say functions or variables. In your class you can create objects, and by using those objects you can do the desired functions. Initially we will try to relate this class with this example, and in the next lecture we will talk in detail the different parameters which are associated with class. How can we create the class? Actually, in this lecture we will simply talk about how can we create a class or how can we use this class and how can we relate this to this example. Alright, let's say class is student, okay, and you are defining, you just have to look what is happening. So the class which you have defined is the students, and what you want to see inside this class, you want to see the details of what? Print details. So in the next lecture we will talk about what is this self, what is this class, and what is this definition, name and age. Alright, the name of a student is, and the age is, we are using this way to get the printout. Just keep on looking. We will talk about all of these parameters in detail in the coming lectures. So format is, what is your format? Name and age. So it's a similar kind of a thing which you did here. Okay, now this part is completed. For example, student 1 is equal to this student's class. Okay, and what you want, keep in mind, you are telling your program this student 1 is lying in this class, and what you want the name and age of that student. Okay, first you mention again the name of student and then you tell the age. So let's say you're getting the name of a student is and the age is. Similar way, student 2 is equal to the class, and student 2 dot details is equal to, okay. So I think it's pretty much understandable like what is happening. In the previous case we just type the things and then we get the output, but here we just have introduced some functions and we are just calling the functions and we are just using the functions. I think this is quite useful for all of us. In the next coming lectures we will talk in detail about what is class in Python, what is this self, and how the different parameters could be useful in this class. So thank you very much for your kind attention. Until the next time, bye.